Hi everyone. Today, we're tackling a common concern: how to get rid of dark underarms quickly and safely at home. I'll share dermatologist-approved tips, from gentle exfoliation to natural masks and lifestyle tweaks, so you can confidently show off your underarms. Let's dive in and get those underarms glowing. Exfoliation is key for brighter, smoother underarms. Many people overlook this simple step, but it can make a world of difference in the appearance and feel of your skin. By removing dead skin cells and buildup, you allow your natural radiance to shine through, giving you the confidence to wear sleeveless outfits and feel great in your own skin. Over time, dead skin, sweat, and deodorant residue can accumulate on the delicate underarm area, making it look dull or uneven. This buildup can also clog pores and lead to irritation or ingrown hairs. To prevent this, use a soft washcloth or gentle exfoliating mitt in the shower. Move in small circular motions to lift away impurities without causing damage. You can also try a mild scrub, like a simple mix of sugar and coconut oil, 2 to 3 times a week. This natural combination not only exfoliates, but also nourishes your skin, leaving it feeling soft and refreshed. Homemade scrubs are easy to make and allow you to control the ingredients, ensuring your skin gets only the best care. For those looking for an extra boost, consider products with gentle chemical exfoliants like lactic or glycolic acid. These ingredients help dissolve dead skin cells and can improve skin tone over time. Start with a low concentration and use only as directed to avoid overexfoliation. No matter which method you choose, always patch test new products on a small area first to check for sensitivity. After exfoliating, rinse your underarms thoroughly with lukewarm water to remove any residue and prevent irritation. Follow up with a gentle, fragrance-free moisturizer to keep your skin barrier healthy and hydrated. Moisturizing after exfoliation helps lock in moisture and soothes the skin, reducing the risk of dryness or redness. Remember, be gentle. Overdoing it can cause irritation, redness, or even darkening of the skin. Less is more when it comes to exfoliating sensitive areas like your underarms. Listen to your skin and adjust your routine as needed. With consistent, safe exfoliation, you'll notice your underarms becoming smoother, softer, and more even-toned. Make exfoliation a regular part of your self-care routine and enjoy the confidence that comes with healthy, radiant skin. Lemon juice has long been celebrated as a natural brightener, especially for skin. Its popularity comes from its high content of citric acid, a gentle exfoliant that can help fade dark spots and even out skin tone over time. Many people turn to lemon juice as a simple, affordable remedy for underarm discoloration, hoping for a brighter, fresher look without harsh chemicals. The citric acid in lemon juice works by gently sloughing away dead skin cells, revealing newer, lighter skin beneath. This natural exfoliation process can gradually reduce the appearance of pigmentation and leave your skin looking more radiant. However, lemon juice is also quite acidic, which means it can be irritating, especially for those with sensitive skin. That's why it's crucial to always do a patch test before applying lemon juice to larger areas. Apply a small amount to your inner arm and wait 24 hours to check for any redness, itching, or discomfort. If your skin tolerates it well, you can try dabbing diluted lemon juice onto your underarms. Mix equal parts lemon juice and water, then use a cotton pad to apply the solution. Leave it on for about 10 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with cool water. This helps minimize the risk of irritation while still allowing the brightening effects to work. For extra gentleness, consider mixing lemon juice with soothing ingredients like honey or yogurt. Honey is naturally moisturizing and has antibacterial properties, while yogurt contains lactic acid, which can further help with gentle exfoliation. These combinations can make the treatment less harsh and more nourishing for your skin. Remember, never use lemon juice on broken or freshly shaved skin, as this can cause stinging and further irritation. Also, avoid applying lemon juice before sun exposure, since it can make your skin more sensitive to sunlight and increase the risk of burns or pigmentation. After rinsing off the lemon juice, always moisturize your skin to restore hydration and soothe any potential dryness. If you notice any irritation, redness, or discomfort at any point, stop using lemon juice immediately and consult a dermatologist if needed. Your skin's health and comfort should always come first. Moisturizing masks with yogurt or aloe vera can calm and brighten underarms. Yogurt gently exfoliates and hydrates. Apply plain yogurt for 10 minutes, then rinse. Aloe vera soothes irritation and helps even skin tone. Combine both for a cooling, creamy mask. Use 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Always moisturize after masking. Hydrated skin is less likely to darken. When it comes to removing underarm hair, the method you choose can have a big impact on the health and appearance of your skin. Shaving is the most common and convenient option for many people, but it's important to know that frequent shaving can sometimes lead to dark spots, bumps, or irritation. This happens because the razor blade creates friction against the delicate underarm skin, and tiny cuts or nicks can make the area more sensitive over time. If you notice your underarms becoming rough or discolored, shaving might be the cause. Waxing is another popular method, and it works by pulling hair out from the root. This means you'll stay smoother for longer, and over time, waxing can actually help reduce irritation and darkening because it removes the entire hair shaft and exfoliates the skin. However, waxing can be uncomfortable, especially if you have sensitive skin, and it's important to follow proper hygiene to avoid ingrown hairs or infections. For a more permanent solution, laser hair removal targets the hair follicles beneath the skin's surface. Over several sessions, this can significantly reduce hair growth and even help lighten pigmentation caused by previous irritation. Laser treatments are best performed by trained professionals to ensure safety and effectiveness, and not everyone's skin or hair type is suitable for laser, so a consultation is key. If you prefer to stick with shaving, there are ways to minimize irritation. Always use a sharp, clean razor and shave in the direction of hair growth to reduce friction. Applying a gentle shaving cream or gel can help protect your skin, and moisturizing afterward will keep your underarms soft and hydrated, reducing the risk of bumps and dryness. Ultimately, the best hair removal method is the one that fits your skin type, pain tolerance, budget, and lifestyle. Some people prefer the quickness of shaving, while others like the longer-lasting results of waxing or the convenience of laser treatments. Take time to consider your options, and don't be afraid to try different methods to see what works best for you. Pay attention to how your skin reacts after each method. If you notice redness, bumps, or discomfort, it might be time to switch things up. Healthy, smooth underarms are possible. Just listen to your skin and choose the method that keeps you feeling confident and comfortable. Tight synthetic fabrics can cause friction and darken underarms. Choose loose, breathable fabrics like cotton or bamboo to reduce irritation. Change out of sweaty clothes quickly to prevent bacteria buildup. Even small wardrobe tweaks can help prevent dark patches. Comfort and breathability support your underarm care routine. Harsh deodorants can irritate and darken underarm skin. Opt for gentle, fragrance-free formulas with soothing ingredients like aloe or vitamin E. Avoid applying deodorant right after shaving or waxing. Give your skin time to adjust to new products. Read labels and choose what works best for your skin. Small changes in your routine can make a big difference. Achieving lighter underarms takes time. Consistency is key. Track your progress with weekly photos and celebrate small improvements. Everyone's skin is different, so be patient and gentle with yourself. If you notice persistent darkening or discomfort, consult a dermatologist. With care and patience, you'll see real results. If home care isn't working or you notice unusual changes, see a dermatologist. Thanks for watching. Share your questions or tips in the comments. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more dermatologist-approved skincare advice. Until next time, keep glowing. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments.